Hello, today I'm in Ssangyong Rexton. In this video I'll show you how to change driving mode between 2 wheels or 4 wheels. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side from the steering wheel. Right here we've got this button. Simply twist it between 2H, 4H or 4L to change driving mode. You can see that driving mode is changing by icons right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.